how to change the currency in QuickBooks. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change the currency in QuickBooks. So kindly follow through to the end. The first step is to sign in into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. That is your dashboard. Once you're on this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see other options like bank transactions, dashboards, transactions, sales, expenses, etc. Just scroll down to customers and leads and then click on that. After clicking on it, you will take it to the customers and leads page. So on this page, you'll see different options, okay? You'll see your customers, and then by the right side of the screen, you will see new customer, all right? Just by this side. The reason why mine is not displaying that is because I don't have any customers yet on my QuickBooks account. But for you, you see all of your customers. Just go ahead and click on new customer, and then in the customer information window that will be displayed after selecting new customer, you would see the currency icon, that is for you to select the customer currency. So just click on it and then select the currency that you want. All right, this is the currency the customer would use to pay you for products or services. Fill out the remaining required information, select save, and then just like that, that currency would be changed. So if you want to change the currency of an existing customer, how do you go about it? The same way, come to the customers page that we are on currently and then select the customer profile. All right, that is, make the customer profile inactive. After making the customer profile inactive, then come back to this page, click on new profile, add the customer again, and then assign the currency in which they will pay you. Then the new transactions will be recorded in this currency. All right, that is the major way of how to go about it. And then if you want to change your default currency this time around, not the currency of your customers, what do you do? After logging into your account on the dashboard, if you're not on the dashboard, ensure you navigate through to dashboard. Move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons such as the search icon, notifications, the gear icon, and then your profile icon. And then just click on the profile icon. After clicking on the profile icon in the box displayed, ensure you select Manage Your Intuit account. After selecting that, you'll be brought to the Intuit accounts page. But before then, there will be a need for you to verify your identity. So let's go ahead and verify it. Just wait patiently. Wait patiently. So once that's been verified and you're brought to your account, the next step and the next thing to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options like overview, sign in, and security, profile data, and privacy. And then scroll down and select profile where you can change your name, your date of birth, your occupation, your address. Then you click on sign in info as well where you can see other options. So on this page, you'll see that by the left side of the screen, there is no option like preferences, right? And that is what we are looking for. So you go back to your QuickBooks account. Then once you're on this page, move to the left side of the screen and then click on your gear icon. After clicking on the gear icon on the box displayed under company, ensure you select account and setting. All right. So after selecting account and setting, you will be brought to the account and settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see options like company, sales, expenses, time, advance. Just go ahead and click on advance. After clicking on advance, you will be brought to the advanced page. On this page, you can see accounting, company type, charts of accounts, automation, language, currency. So under this currency, you can now go ahead and click on the pencil icon here, which stands for the edit icon. And then here, select the currency that you'd like to change it to. All right, so just select the currency as much as you can. And after selecting the currency, to be changed automatically. For me, I want it to remain as Naira, or I can just change it to this. And then click on save. And then just like that, the currency would be changed, as you can see. So ensure you try this out, okay? Thanks for watching and have a good day.